Welcome to fundsfact.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm earning $50 a day. In every few days, I can just reinvest this money and just compound that until I will earn $100 a day. So, as you can see here, I started, let's see, in finance. I started on June 15, which is 10 days ago. Okay, 10 days ago. I've reinvested already $250 that I made. And now I made a total of $511 in 10 days. In 10 days, $511. My current earning balance is $203.57. In commission is $58. So today what I'm going to do is, so far I have 4 ad packs. So if you don't know what this is, it's basically you are buying ad packs. You are buying advertisements. You're buying banner ads. Okay, over here you can see banner ads. You're buying these ads. As you're buying these ads, they'll pay you a 5% each day in interest. So let's say if you put in $250, okay, for example, if you put in $250 pay plan, let's go to pay plan. Let's say I'm going to put in $250, they'll give you 5% a day. That means you'll get banner ads, PPC credits, login credits, and things like that. And I'm going to show you how I'm using the ads to make more money. But even without any ads, if you don't have any business to promote, anything, you'll get $250. In the end of 30 days will be $375. So if I have $1,000 put in, I'll make $1,000 will give me, let's take a calculator, 375 times 4, $1,500. That's 50% on your money, 150%. Okay. So today what I'm going to show you, I'm going to reinvest my money so I can earn $50 per day. So far today I'm earning each pack that I have, it's earning $12.50. So if I have 4 packs, that's $50. I want to increase that so I can have 5 packs times $12.50, so I will make $62.50. And so let's do that. I'm going to go buy revenue share ad pack. And I'm going to go to the 5%. Again, I could wait. I can actually go and buy the $100 pack, much faster because I have already $250 in my account. But I'm not going to earn it, in 30 days. It's going to take me much longer, and I'm going to make 5%. So this is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get with this plan, all these credits I'm going to get. Okay, and so let's take a look. How many packs I want to buy? I want to buy 1, $250. I'm going to take this out from earnings balance and commission balance. Okay, earning balance and commission balance. I'm going to do this, and let's see if it goes through. Earning balance and commission balance, pay now, and purchase successfully. So if I'm going to go now to overview, you can see here now I have 5 packs. 5 packs, and now as you can see here, let's go back in here. You can see here I just got another pack. 1 pack, $250. This is going to earn me money. Okay, for 30 days. This is earning now. This is earning. So I'm going to make $62.50 every single day. And like this, I can keep, like in 4 days, I will reinvest every 4 days, and then 3 days, and then 2 days until I make $100 a day. Okay. Advertisement banners, you can see here. I have put in this company advertisement banners, which is a different company that I promote again. And I'm going to go over with you in a minute about this company. You can see how many clicks I have and how many sign-ups. I'm going to show you how many sign-ups that people are signing up for this company. Okay. So this is 38,220, 40,000. So I'm gonna, this is expiring soon because it's hitting the 40,000. I want to add more, so I'm gonna do 50,000. That's 50,000. Submit. And that's it. I mean, it's approved. And if I'm gonna go over here now, you're gonna see I have 50,000. So this can go much more now. This expired. You can see 5,000, 5,000. I'll add another 5,000. As you can see how many credits I have. And this is why, you know, I keep adding more credits. I have over 4 million credits over here. So I'm gonna put, you know, 20,000. And so I can get more signups on that. Okay, so 20,000 on that. This has enough. This is almost expiring, and this is expiring, so we'll add this one. We'll do 50,000 for this. You can see this is 4 million views. So I have a lot of credit over here. This is done. And I did not even use the, you know, this one I have never used. Maybe I have 700 clicks. Okay, as you can see here, 700 clicks. I can have 25,000 clicks per time. So I have 4 packages, 25,000 clicks for free basically. And over here you can see I use only one, 700 clicks. Take a look, 700 clicks. Okay, so the other company that I'm promoting, let me show you, is Matrix Boom. So now you can see my team. I have 155 people signed up, active people, personal, 10 inactive, just signed up. As you can see how many clicks I'm getting and review, you know, basically I'm only advertising in this company. Okay. Now what is Matrix Boom? I'm going to show you a video soon how this works exactly. But I want to show you my matrix. This wasn't a pre-launch. It just opened up. It pays out. I just made another $30 over here. I want to show you the matrix. Now there's a matrix over here and a start. You can start with the start and the brands. As you can see here, this is me. My first level is filled up. My second level is actually empty over here. So you can get this spot. If you sign up and pay, you know, your $15 or your $75, you can get in here and you will get major spill over from that. And then you can go up to the next level, silver and gold and diamond, which the big money is. So I think you should sign up for this company. So, you know, it's only $75 one time out of pocket, and then everything goes automatically from there. And then you can take the banners right from here. You can just grab these banners and advertise it on this one. So you make money from here and from here. You make 5% each day without doing anything, plus a bonus. You'll get this banner ad so you can start advertising in this company. Okay, so now watch this video to explain you the Matrix Boom, and you can sign up. My link is below for both companies. Thank you.
Welcome to the world of money. We would like to bring your attention to the international platform with unique financial opportunities. Matrix Boom is a revolutionary trend portal where your time turns into money. Matrix Boom is a world of cash prosperity with a 100% marketing to the network. Before you is a one-start program with linear marketing, 3 tables with binary construction, and conclusive diamond program. Programs work automatically. So, the First Start program is an accumulative system with an affordable $15 entry fee. You have a goal to invite 4 partners, each of which brings you 100%. Due to this, the amount for the next main program, Bronze, is saved on your balance. The entry fee is $60. All of your money from those invited to the Start program will be 100% available for withdrawal. If you want to start right from the second Bronze program, you need to pay for the Start program and the Bronze program at the same time. The advantage of the second program is that there will be overflows from higher sponsors or from active partners from around the world. The entry fee for the Bronze program is $60. The first table consists of 3 levels, which is filled by a binary scheme. When your third level is filled with 8 members, $480 are accrued to your balance. The system will automatically distribute them as follows. $60 update for the Bronze program. You do not have a new place open, and the money goes to the same partner who received $60 from you for the first time. $30 will go to your sponsor, and $30 will go to your sponsor's sponsor. $60 are available for withdrawal, and $300 automatically go to the second similar silver table. After closing the second silver table, which is filled by members from the first matrix, there are $2,400 on your balance, of which $100 can be withdrawn to your wallet. $50 are received by 2 senior sponsors. $300 are an update of the same silver matrix, and $1,900 automatically go for the activation of the third matrix. The third gold table is filled in the same way as the 2 previous tables. When you close the bottom row, your balance will be up to $15,200, of which $1,650 can be withdrawn. Both of your senior sponsors receive $825. $1,900 are an update, and $10,000 are the transfer to the most high-paying program, Diamond. Thus, you have all 3 matrices working, which constantly bring you profit. Due to the fact that powerful overflows from active partners work here, you will easily close the tables and have a permanent passive income. Due to our platform automating, you have launched a money locomotive that cannot be stopped. Let's turn to the Diamond program. Who is this program for, and how to get into it? Each partner, having personally invited partners, go to this program. All the partners registered by your link will get to your Diamond program after passing the Gold program. So, the activation of the business place is $10,000. The program works on the principle of linear marketing. There is an unlimited number of business places in the lineup that are occupied by all of your personally invited partners. Each partner brings you $10,000, 50% of which goes to you, and other 50% goes to your sponsor. As you can see, it is profitable to invite. The system of automatic reinvestment and spillover from the program activities will allow you to earn again and again. Are you ready to make money? Act right now. Everybody ear here. Join Matrix Boom. It's profitable, easy, and simple with us.